Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel The Happy Blushes. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I created these perfect winged eyeliner. So let's dive into the video without any further delay. I'm using Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer under my eyes and eyelids. Already I'm done with my base. Using a sponge, I'm setting the concealer so that it doesn't crease. Using the same sponge, I'm dabbing the concealer. With the help of a baby powder, I'm baking the concealer well. Now leave this powder for a few seconds to set the concealer. Using a powder brush, I'm dusting off the excess powder around my eyes. I'm gonna stick a tape on the sides of my eye to get that perfect shape of winged eyeliner. Now using a blending brush, I am taking a bronzing powder and I'll be slightly contouring my eyelid. Make sure you blend this really well. I'm taking Swiss Beauty pen eyeliner and slowly drawing a thick line over my upper eyelashes and trying to connect this to the wing that I'll be creating along the tape. You can make the eyeliner thick or thin based on your choices. Now I'm using Plum Kajal on the upper and lower lash lines. It's important to apply on upper waterline so that there are no gaps visible in the eyes. Now I'm applying Maybelline Colossal Mascara on my lashes. I'm using Glam Girl's eyelashes in the shade SH15. I'm applying the glue and allow it to set for 30 seconds, and then using a tweezer, I'm gonna place the false lashes just above my eyelashes. I'm gonna use the eyeliner again to smoothen the winged eyeliner so that I get that perfect finishing. Now this method helps in hiding that extra glue that is visible on the eyelid. Now I'm using the bronzing powder on my lower lashes a little so that the kajal doesn't look sharp. Using Swiss Beauty highlighter, I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eyes. Also, I'll highlight my brow bone a little. So this is the final winged eyeliner look. Hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to leave a comment and let me know your thoughts about this tutorial. I'll see you guys soon with a new interesting topic. Till then, stay hydrated and don't forget to love yourself.